Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in my today's class we are going to discuss kinds of guarantee. There are basically two kinds of guarantee, in which one of the guarantee is continuing guarantee. We are also going to discuss revocation of continuing guarantee in this particular presentation. When I say presentation, this is not a big presentation. We are going to discuss all of these aspects in just one slide. This is a very small presentation, and why to waste time? Let's get into the only slide I have on kinds of guarantee and revocation of continuing guarantee. As I already said, there are two kinds of guarantee. The first being specific guarantee, the other one is continuing guarantee. Specific guarantee is those guarantee which are given for a single debt or any specified transaction, and it comes to an end once such debt or transaction is completed. For example, if you are becoming surety for a bank loan, once the bank loan is over, your guarantee is also over. That's how we have to see specific guarantee. It is specific for that one particular transaction. Whereas the second type of guarantee, that is continuing guarantee, which is discussed under section number 129, is all about a guarantee which applies to series of transactions. Now under specific guarantee, it is limited to a single debt or any specified transaction, whereas under continuing guarantee, it is for series of transactions. Let us have an illustration. Imagine there are three persons, one Mr. A, the other one is B, and the third one is C. Now A is a trader. To do trading, he needs rice bags, and B agrees to supply rice bags on monthly basis, and the quantity of rice bag that he will be supplying is 20 bags per month. And C is the surety for A's payment. Now this is called series of transactions, which is continuing guarantee, which is what discussed under section number 129. So basically, if you have to see the difference between specific guarantee and continuing guarantee, specific guarantee is basically for a single debt or specified transaction, whereas continuing guarantee is for series of transactions. The next aspect is revocation of continuing guarantee. Now under specific guarantee, it comes to an end the moment the debt or specified transaction is over. But how to end a continuing guarantee? That's what we are discussing with the help of many sections. The first section that we are discussing is section 130, which discusses about by notice of revocation. Surety can give a notice, with that the continuing guarantee can come to an end. The second one is if the surety himself dies. As per section number 131, the continuing guarantee comes to an end. The third category has many sections, which is all about by modes of discharging the surety. The surety can be discharged, with that the continuing guarantee can also come to an end. Under which the first section that we are seeing is novation. As per section 62, if you are bringing a new agreement or if you are bringing a new term in the available contract, in that case that continuing guarantee comes to an end. The second one, variation in the terms. As per section number 133, if you are making any variation in the terms of the contract, then the surety can be discharged. The third one, release or discharge of the principal debtor. As per section number 134, if the principal debtor himself is discharged or released from his debt, in that case the continuing guarantee will also come to an end. When I say that, you can also apply it to similar transactions. And then section number 135 says creditor's arrangement with the principal debtor. Now if creditor comes to certain agreement with or arrangement with the debtor, in that case surety will be discharged as per section number 135. And section number 139 discusses creditors act or omission impairing surety's eventual remedy. Surety got certain rights and eventual remedies, and if there is any omission impairing such remedies, in that case the continuing guarantee will come to an end. And finally, if there is any loss of security, as per section number 141, the revocation of continuing guarantee happens. Now while explaining these many sections, I have not used any case laws, or I was at high speed. Now you must be thinking that how can we complete these sections by this much discussion only? We are not completing this discussion here only. My next presentation is all about discharge of the surety, where I will explain each of these sections in detail along with case laws. So nothing to worry, but for now you need to remember all these facts or sections so that you can craft answer for this particular question. And whenever you get question on this particular question, you can also utilize my next presentation, which will be on modes of discharge of surety, where I will say a lot of case laws, and you can bring those case laws along with this section to strengthen your answer. That brings an end to this particular presentation. and never miss my next presentation, which is on discharge of surety. In the playlist, I will keep that presentation next to this one, and it is very important to go through that presentation because there I have explained all of these sections in detail along with case laws. And finally, if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much for the same. If you are yet to subscribe my channel, this is your time to subscribe my channel, and please like, share and comment my videos. Press the bell icon for getting to know all the new videos that I am uploading, and all the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching me, and thanks again.